Hey there, it's Lindsay from The Postman's Knock, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy calligraphy slant lines. So I've got two techniques here. The first is to just download and print out this free perfect calligraphy envelope generator. And then what you're going to do is line up your envelope with any horizontal guideline here, and then take a ruler or a parallel glider, line it up with the slant lines, and draw them like that. Then add your horizontal guidelines and you're good to go. And now you've got an envelope that's set up for consistently slanted calligraphy. Obviously you're going to be working with a pencil in order to make guidelines. I just want to make sure you can see what I'm doing, so I'm writing in pen. The second technique requires some manual measurement, so you'll want to start with your horizontal guideline or guidelines. I'm just making one to demo this. And then what you're going to do is line up the middle of your parallel glider, so that 4 there, with your line. Then rotate the glider to achieve the slant angle that you want. So I want 55 degrees. So I'm putting that 55-degree line, which is right here, in line with this 4 here. And then all you do is move the parallel glider down, just like that. The spacing of the slant lines doesn't matter. Slant lines aren't going to help you with letter spacing, but they are going to help you make those nice, consistent vertical strokes. Those are the two simple ways that I like to make calligraphy slant guidelines. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.